Hi, everybody. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Nicholas Kress, and I'm the Outreach and Engagement Coordinator with Housing and Residence Life. And welcome to our virtual tour of the McConnell Hall single room. I have a couple of things I want to make sure that everybody knows about before we go ahead and get started. February 9th is when room renewal opens up. So if you know that McConnell's going to be the hall for you, or if there's another hall that you are thinking that you might like to be in for the 2021 to 2022 academic year, February 9th is the day you want to keep in mind. So next week. If you are ready to book and you know which one you want to do, the website you'll be using is iwanthousing.uidaho.edu. And if you still want to just look at some more options and kind of see what's out there, uidaho.edu/housing is where you'll want to go. And now I'm going to pass it over to Kagan.
Hello, my name is Kagan. I'm a senior here at the University of Idaho studying geology. And today I'm going to give you kind of an overview of the McConnell building. First, I'm going to start with a kind of general overview of the building. It's a upperclassman building. The floors themselves are single gender floors, so you'll have males on one floor and females on another. There's a community bathroom that's cleaned by the custodians, so if you don't mind the community bathroom and that aspect, is a good choice. It's clean for you, so you don't have to worry about that. There's only single rooms that are available here, and there's a large community area that's down on the first floor, and you'll be able to go there and conversate with friends, watch TV. They have ping pong tables and pool tables, couches, places to hang out. Down in the basement, they have laundry that's free. They have a kitchen area where you can cook and hang out with friends. So they have a stove, sink, some countertops. They also have a computer lab down there. So if you want to do your homework or just want to use the computer, you can go down there and do that. And then the laundry itself is free. They have an app that you can check on, and it'll allow you to see whether or not a washer is in use or if it's free. So that makes it pretty convenient. Going to the room itself has a single bed right here. And then you have a dresser, desk. Each room comes included with a mini fridge and a microwave. There's an in-room sink and wardrobe. Now I'm gonna take the camera down and show you around so you can see it up close. Okay, so start with the bed. We got the bed right here. So it's a pretty decent sized bed. Then you have your desk, which you have a decent amount of storage in the drawers. Chair, so yeah, you can do your homework here. You have a pretty large window that can open if you want fresh air. There's a dresser here that has large drawers. Plenty of space to fit all your items. Like I said, there's a mini fridge and a microwave that come included, so you don't have to worry about bringing one of those. And then your sink, mirror, and a little cabinet down here in case you want to store some cleaning products or anything you want down here. All right, and then the wardrobe. I'm about 5'7" and I can fit in this thing, so there's plenty of storage in here for you. Then you got little drawers down here. So overall, there's lots of storage, and it's a pretty cozy spot to do your homework and study at school. If you like to have your own personal space, this is a good choice for you. Any questions?
Okay, awesome. Thank you, Kagan. We really appreciate you taking the time to give us this tour. I just have one last thing that I want to let everybody know about, as well as a reminder. So again, February 9th is the day for you to reserve your room, especially if you decide that you've got a specific building in mind, because you get to choose your room and your roommate. And then I also want to let everybody know to join us February 11th outside of the hub at 11:30 for our next student appreciation event. We've got these great stickers that we're going to be handing out just as a thank you for living with the students. So thank you so much and have a great day.